Hey, what did you press there by the door?
Are you serious?
Yeah, what was the...
Listen, man, this is some innovative, crazy technology.
What's wrong with you?
Think about it. The cleaners get here on regular shifts during the day, not when needed, and what happens a minute after the cleaning staff left the bathroom. So what's the bottom line? You paid full price for facilities that will stay clean for about 2 seconds.
Can I have a second?
So the system notifies the cleaning staff directly if there's an issue in the bathroom. Instead of coming once an hour and cleaning up what's already clean, the system counts how many people came in and out of the bathroom, and the cleaning staff gets notified if they should come for a quick wipe. Let's say the trash is full or the room is flooding. You know what? Even if it's just dirty, maybe you just want to compliment the good work. You walk up to touchpad near the door, pick the relevant option, and one of the building staff members gets a direct notification alert straight to their cell phone by written message and voicemail in their predetermined preferred language.
The trash is full. In men's restroom. In second floor.
And the most important part, the customer enjoys a 90% reduction in complaints about cleanliness, and overall, everyone is much happier.
Are you talking about BuzzzTech?
Crazy, right?
Totally luxurious, man.
Do you realize how effective this is? Out of paper, one press and someone will come to replace it. Unpleasant toilet? Press here, and a cleaning team is on its way. Can you imagine how much time it saves?
Hey, does it have a button for a guy that bothers you in the bathroom? Ah, way to go, BuzzzTech.